So you're ready to create a Google website. Go ahead and open up Google Chrome and open up Google, the search engine. You're going to type in, you can type it in the search engine or in the URL browser. You're going to type in google.com/sites. Hit enter. Again, you can search for it too. And it's going to bring up your Google websites. I find that this is the easiest way to find it. Maybe there's another way. I haven't discovered it yet. What I like to do is I bookmark this page so then I have it up here on my bookmark within my Google Chrome web browser. So to do that, you just click over here on the 3 lines. It might be a wrench if some of you have the older version. And you click and you hit bookmarks and you hit bookmark this page. It's gonna, mine already is up there, but it's gonna say what name do you want it and then the folder, and go ahead and hit done. You can retitle it if you'd like. Google Sites is a great name because that's what it's called. So there it is. If for some reason you added something that you wanted to delete that you no longer use, I have a couple here, and we're going to go over some of the ones that I have. But say you wanted to delete one, you go right here again, so this is your settings, and you go into bookmarks, bookmark manager, and there I could delete Google Sites. I could just click on it, or I can delete extensions, Sumo Paint, we'll add that one later, so I'll delete it. I just hit delete on my keyboard, wham, bam, I'm done. I can close that tab. Okay, so now if you click on Google Sites, it'll bring you to a site that looks like this. You're not going to have Caitlin Ferenczak or Mrs. Ferenczak. You're going to have, this is going to be totally empty for you. So what you want to do is you do want to hit create. It's automatically going to be set to a blank template. Let's go ahead and just pick a template. We're not going to spend too much time choosing because we can always go back and change it. So just pick one. You can hit browse the gallery for more. This gives you a nice base to start with if you're not feeling creative. Otherwise, you can go with the blank one and keep it totally white. So it'll fill it in with the colors and font styles. Over here on the left, you can pick from featured, business, activities, schools, and etc. So you pick on one, and there's a whole list, and you can pick on any one that you like. Once you have it, if you hit Gadget from Template Directory, it'll bring you to the full page so you can kind of see a little bit closer how it looks. And you can hit Use Template right here, or you can go back to that other tab and you can hit Select. Either one works. I'm just going to close this tab and hit Select right here. Or you can go back to the gallery and keep searching. So Select. So there I have my template that I chose. It's called Education Website. So that's what we're doing here. You go ahead and type in the name of your website, and it'll bring up your URL. And then we'll do theme options, and I'm not a robot. So I typed in Lower Providence Community Library, Web Design 101. You can go ahead and put spaces, because that's going to be the title of your page. You'll notice that it takes the spaces away within the URL that it provides, and it should provide the same URL. If you hit Select Theme, you have a variety of different colors. You can select one. I wouldn't mess around with this too much because you can add this later if you want, and we'll go over, I'll give you some time to do that as well. More options, so you can give yourself a description, what the site contains. The site contains mature content, only suitable for adults, and so you can add in all that. I'm not a robot. Google wants to make sure that you're not a robot. So select all images with an amusement park. So let's see, I just see 2, so I'm going to go ahead and hit verify. And so now all that's done, I did everything I needed, so I hit create. And it'll generate a website for me.